Welcome back, and it is closing day for the Menasha house. Katie and I are here today. We need to get Katie's electric wheelchair out of the garage. So we have the enclosed trailer here because it is heavy as all hell. But let's just see. I'm assuming it's yeah. So Katie, you can sit in here. We're gonna have you sit in your wheelchair, and then I'll push you out of here. Okay, so we're not gonna go for a ride in that?
It's not gonna work. I'm gonna just send it.
Don't, because it's gonna fucking slide into your home.
He's off.
Okay. Or you can...
Reverse, Terry, reverse.
This fucking thing is so heavy. Here we go. Oh.
I'm gonna go get the charger.
So the adventures of what you find in the house. We still have some miscellaneous stuff. We're gonna leave the paint, the gutters. I don't know. There's a decent amount of paint left in here. So we'll leave this for them. Actually, you know what? We're taking this for ourselves. We're not leaving paint. We use this on every single job. We keep it the same, so we're not gonna waste money on that side. Overall, this was a pretty decent project at the end of it. We ended up selling it for $347. Like I had previously mentioned, picked it up for $280, $282-ish. We stuck probably $6,000, $7,000 into it. So walk away with $30, $35. I'm not too mad about that. Like this took us literally less than a week to remodel this place. So there's good deals out there. You just, of course, need to find them. So we are waiting for a appointment here today. We are down in Dodge County. I'm not going to give the name of the area because it is a small municipality. I'll probably drop in some content here shortly on what the place looks like, of course. But it's like a heat wave in Wisconsin. We're in shorts. It's like 85 degrees out today. I don't know, I'm kind of excited about this. It was a SEO lead that popped in this morning. I'm feeling hopeful. They already had one investor come out, didn't structure a deal, maybe bad sales process. We're gonna see if we can ink this one up. Holy mother of God, I am absolutely exhausted. We're up in Green Bay at the Lombardi house. We were busting our ass all morning on landscaping, painting. Joe and I, God, like we were slaving away this morning. But the landscaping, I'll show you here in just a little bit. It turned out absolutely amazing, better than I expected. And then there's also one thing that I wanted to show you guys. So with short-term rentals specifically, the more amenities that you guys have, the better it ranks on Airbnb VRBO. So we just picked this up 100% free. Obviously it's still disassembled, but we just got a brand new Bowflex treadmill. We'll get some free weights down here. Now it's gonna have a fire pit, it's gonna have a workout area. Hopefully we're gonna get some more people in here, rent it out a little bit more often. You're a fucking jumping spider. So we'll see, there's just a shit ton of flies out here, which I'm not a huge fan of. Let's check out the exterior. So we sprayed all the weeds today. I had to make that look better. And then we put in this fire pit area. Now the guy who mows the lawn, we actually might have to find a different person because he seems to be doing a pretty shitty job. Like it's super long. I don't know, he said he's mowing it like every week. I don't know if I believe that, just based upon the condition of it right now. But all the grass, the sod, I guess you would call it, from that fire pit, we put in this dumpster. So hopefully the dumpster company can actually pick it up. I don't know, we'll probably end up getting a fine, but it is what it is at the end of it. And of course I'm getting a phone call. So we're back in Wausau today. We're ending the week on a strong note. And I got some exciting news for you guys. Like that's actual drywall. We're making progress. All the drywall is put up. They're gonna obviously start texturing and everything like that soon. That's no longer open behind me. Skylights are covered up. I have to show you the upstairs, of course, because that looks... Actually, let's head down in the basement first, because it doesn't smell like we're finally... I'm getting excited. I am getting super excited. Look at this. Drywall is installed. So once they're done with this, we can get the finished carpenter in here, or get the contractor, general contractor in here. Oh, this is amazing. So relieved. So happy. This project has taken way too long. We're over budget on the holding cost side of things, but market has not slowed down. So I think we're gonna be pretty safe when it comes to reselling this place for probably more than what we expected, especially with new kitchen cabinets, remodeled kitchen. Still has a lot of the old oak trim, as you can tell here, but it is what it is here. We're gonna have white quartz counters in every single bathroom. Master bath is gonna be absolutely amazing. This bathroom, ceiling's finally done. Breathing heavy, I just went up 2 flights of steps. Huh. Okay, no lights in here. But you guys, this is all covered up. This whole thing, where the bathroom was, it is all framed in. So we are getting closer and closer on this particular place. I am so relieved we're finally at this point. Like, getting to this point right now has been the biggest headache. We're an hour and a half away. Probably my tip is do projects closer to home. Maybe don't take on this big of a renovation, especially if it's your first one. And if you decide to take on this big of a renovation, make sure that you can afford the holding costs, the monthly overhead. I think we're probably paying like $2 grand, $2,500 a month in mortgage and taxes and insurance and everything like that. So it's not cheap by any means, but we're still gonna come out really well. I have a feeling on that one, and this should be sick once it is done. So they will start texturing, most likely probably beginning of next week. Then we can get on to all the finish work. I need to take measurements today for cabinets. I already have some of those, but we're gonna remeasure everything and get that knocked out here in the next little bit.